That's wind. Oh. Bro, I think there's a tornado coming. Oh, what is that? Type down in the comments hashtag tornado coming or hashtag power's about to go out. Holy crap. Dad, we might want to get downstairs. We might want to get into the house for this. Bro, I'm watching every direction to see. I don't see anything swirling. Baddest storm I've seen in a long time. It's like the 2008 storm all over again. But my worst fear is if this thing knocks down a damn power line. Let me go turn off the light. Hold on. I want to show you how bad this storm really is. Oh my god, the whole entire window's fogged up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the whole entire window is completely covered and damaged. Alright guys, I'm gonna get camera right here. That's not gonna work. Holy crap, that one was huge. Guys, I can't even see crap of what is out there. There's nothing out there. Everything's a complete blur. And the winds are 60 to something miles an hour out there. I think we're gonna lose power. And sometime during the night we're gonna end up losing power. It's probably gonna be on film. Power's gonna go out at any minute. I jinx it. I'm gonna jinx it. That the power's gonna go out. I'm gonna so jinx it. Wait, what is that? Is that a swirly? Whoa, is that a swirly over there? That might be a tornado or a supercell. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right over here. I don't know if you guys can see where my finger's pointing. But it's right over there. There's like something swirling or something. It's right over where that, right over there is where I see it. right over here is where the swirly I thought I saw is. Starting back up again. I feel like these guys are gonna go out at any minute. I don't even know about school tomorrow. School's gonna even be open tomorrow? This is the National Weather Service. Issues a tornado watch for Homewood, Illinois. Maybe static or something. I just feel really bad for the people who have to drive in this. I know you guys can't see much except the flash and lightning, but I see a whole bunch of stuff. Like, there's so much lightning going on that all that sound that you're hearing, that's not rain, that's thunder. All going together, that's thunder. It's just boom, 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 boom. That's why it sounds like rain, because it's thunder all smashing together. And I haven't seen light. The only time I've ever seen lightning or a storm like this is on a TV show. And that's also wind too, so. Bro, there's a tree that's about to fall out there. I can see it. Yeah, there's a tree bent out there. I can see it. And it looks kind of like a monster right now, so. I feel like the lightning's gonna strike. I'm gonna get back in bed. Do you guys remember from earlier today when I posted that severe thunderstorm aftermath? Well, this is where you get to see the real action. Compared to what it was earlier. Is that a train? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. He's a freaking tornado coming. I think there's a freaking tornado coming. That's the sound of one. He said it sounds like a train. Oh crap, we might have a tornado coming. That sounds like exactly like one. It's not Halloween, it just sounds like a train. There's another spirit bug in here with me, so. Okay, crap. Even the windows. That's a thunderstorm. Look at those clouds. Whoa. They're dark as heck. Oh my god. The cloud right over there. Right over there. It's dark as heck. I can see it because whenever the lightning flashes, it's so dark. I wonder if a tree fell. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, smash that like button, turn on that notification bell, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow. And we'll see what the aftermath of the storm looks like. And there's a giant twig on the roof. Great. And I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow of what the aftermath looks like. Because it doesn't look too good right now. I love you guys. Peace and goodbye. I think the power's gonna go out. And my hand's shaky, so sorry about that. I think the power's gonna go out. Smash like button if you think that the power's gonna go out. Dislike. No. Smash this like button if you don't think the power's gonna go out. Comment down below if you think the power's gonna go out. And I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Peace.